Start with a pan, preferably non-stick. Something to hold the egg, like a bowl or cup. Something to whip and scramble like the fork or whisk. Since I'm using non-stick, we'll have to use the plastic utensils not to damage the coating. And of course, your eggs. Tap the egg hard enough to form a crack and use your two hands to pull towards the crack into the bowl. I'm using a coffee cup in this case. Now we need to break up and combine the yellow yolk and white or clear portion. This is where a fork comes in. Mix until it's consistently one color. Pour into a preheated pan at medium-low heat to prevent burning. I've sped this up about 1.5 times. The egg will start to stick to the pan, which means that it's cooking. Keep moving the egg around until all the liquid curds and forms a solid. Once it's no longer wet, you have some scrambled eggs. Add your seasonings of choice, such as salt and pepper, plate up, and it's good to go.